In this fast-paced world, technology is always first. Overnight, newer and smarter technology springs forth from here and there. We are already flooded by amazing technologies. But even amongst those amazing technologies, there is a distinction. Is the technology simply smart, or can the technology make the user smarter? Here at SMEC, we are a hybrid convergence technology company that can realize both and make your life smart. We strive towards the highest level of perfection in order to craft the perfect machine. As a company that represents Korea, entrusted to be an innovative technology company based on research, SMEC develops new solutions based on its competitive edge to provide optimized technology for this rapidly changing world. With absolute power, complete accuracy, and efficient productivity. From automotive parts to die mold machining, from Asia to Europe to the Americas, we propel the industries in over 60 countries around the world. We step forward as a global machine tool company, taking the technology of today to create the miracles of tomorrow. In order to bring the world closer together and stay at the forefront of the times, we present countless solutions. As a first-generation Korean telecommunications venture company, with our know-how and expertise in fixed and wireless communications, we provide comprehensive ICT solutions. From communications network design to deployment, from the radio all the way down to network security. From developing patented core technologies to finding everlasting growth engines, SMEC provides the insight and solutions to connect people and technology and broaden both country and culture. We are ready to endure great difficulties, to make life more convenient for our users. So by adding together technologies and connecting one machine to another, we are improving lives and industries. Going beyond technology and into value. Beyond functionality into possibility. Sophistication instead of complexity. In conclusion, creating a world where humans and machines communicate with each other. We are building one smart factory for all smart machines. From production to delivery. Through one system, we deploy logistics automation and IT systems to meet OLED market growth. We are pushing forward with our high-precision factory automation business. The fourth industrial revolution that is the focus of this generation, and smart factory that every company talks about. There is no need to worry about not knowing everything about them. Because there is a company that is creating a tomorrow where humans and machines communicate, where smart and convenient technologies are combined into one, and the most powerful machines are pushed to perfection. A smart hybrid company leading the fourth industrial revolution. SMEC is creating a smart world for you.